All right, sisters. All right, sisters. Sis. I laid my edges. My edges laid. Oh my god. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I figured out how to lay my edges ish. So I got this idea. I wouldn't say idea, but I learned this from another natural hair, African Natural. I don't know if that's her name, but I'm going to put in the description box. So yes, I learned this from her. I tried it on Sunday and it seemed to work ish, but I don't know if it worked or if my hair was just having a good day, because yeah, I don't know. So we're just going to go right straight to the video. So what I'm going to use for my edges today is Gorilla Snot Gel. The next thing I'm going to use is castor oil. I hardly use castor oil on my natural hair because it's thick, and the oil is thick, and I have low porosity hair, which means products hardly get into my hair. So if I use castor oil, it's just going to stay on my hair and not penetrate into, because it's like a thick oil. So I try to use light oils. So you're going to need water. This is water. I'm just using this because I could not find a spray bottle around me. And I'm going to also use cotton pads. The cotton pads is going to be used to like wipe away all the dirt. Not dirt, like previous makeup, previous gel, previous whatever, because that's one of the things that brings white patches on our edges, but we don't know. But that's it. That's one of the reasons. If you like this hairstyle I have on my head, I have a video on my channel, so make sure you check it out. I'm going to put a link here to the video of this hairstyle. Now that I've moisturized my hair, I'm going to start with the edges. Okay, I'm going to take one cotton pad and I'm going to spray it with water and then clean my edges, like this part. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to spray some water on it. I doubt you guys can see it, but this is what the cotton pad looks like. So I'm just going to use the second one to go over it again, just to be sure like there's no makeup and there's no product left on my edges. So I'm just going to make sure like the second one is clear before I start applying things on my edges. Okay, so this is what this part is looking like. As you can see, it's very tiny. It's a very tiny bit of dirt that came off, so that means like it's more or less clear now. So now this is what my edges is looking like. The next step is to apply the castor oil. The castor oil serves as a protection for my edges due to the Gorilla Snot Gel. I'm going to use the castor oil, and castor oil also helps with hair growth. So if the Gorilla Snot wants to mess with my edges, the castor oil is there to protect it. Okay, so I'm just going to tap a little bit, like a very tiny bit, on my hand, and then I'm going to apply that on my scalp. So now I've applied the gel, the oil on my hair. The gel we're going to be using, as mentioned earlier, is the Gorilla Snot Gel. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use the edges brush to apply it. If you do not know what a Gorilla Snot Gel looks like, this is it. I know this is very disgusting, but yeah, that's the consistency. I just wanted to show you guys the consistency of Gorilla Snot Gel. So I'm just going to add a bit on the lid, just so I don't have to squeeze it out every second. I'm going to take my brush and tap it in, like not so much, just a very little bit, and then I'm going to add that on my scalp. Anyways, so this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to start brushing it. So this is, I don't know how you guys brush your own edges, but I brush my own kind of slanting downwards a bit, if that makes any sense. I honestly do not know how to brush edges. I'm not even going to lie. And then you just make sure that is down there. Okay, I don't know if this worked out, but yeah. The thing about me when I lay my edges is like I'm really scared. I get very scared while laying my edges because it's like, okay, if this doesn't work out, my hair is just going to look a hot mess. I'm just going to swoop. So guys, ooh, this is what my edges are looking like. I don't know if this worked out. I have no idea. So I'm going to tie my hair down and go do my makeup and come back and show you guys the end result, okay? So I've tied my hair. I'm going to go do my makeup and come back and show you guys what my hair looks like. Hopefully this works out, because doing it I realized, okay, it wasn't as easy as I thought. But now I pray and hope this works out, because if it does, ooh, I doubt I'll still be laying my edges. I just wanted to show you guys that are interested this procedure, okay? Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm going to take down the scarf from my hair to see the end result. So yeah, let's hope and pray it actually worked out. If it worked out, that would be great. If it doesn't work out, then I guess I'm going to just continue with my struggle edges until I find the right product to work for my edges. Ooh. Wait, you know I'm short-sighted. I need to make sure I'm seeing the right thing. Guys, my edge is laid and it's not white. There are no white residues. Guys, no. Can you see this? Can you guys see this? What? It actually did lay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nah guys, I'm in a shook. Wait, I need to be sure it actually. Yo. Oh my god. This part is like my favorite part. Let me just brush out this thing so I look. So the difference doesn't look too much. Can you see? You guys, I laid my edges. My edges laid. Oh my god. I'm in disbelief. Oh my god, like whoa. See, my natural hair class just increased because what? Nah, I can't believe this is actually laid, like it properly laid. Wow. All right, sisters. All right, sisters. Sis, are you seeing this, sis? Anyways, we move on. So yes guys, I've come to the end of my video. As you can see, it was a success. We want to thank the Lord for that. Woo! So guys, I've come to the end of my video. As you can see, this hair laying was a success. We thank the Lord Jesus Christ for that. We want to, we want to thank God for that, because bruh, laying my edges is always a problem. It's a struggle. It's just something else. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys use on your edges that actually work. 4C edges are just sometimes yeah, so let me know what you guys use on your edges. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also click the notification bell as well, just so you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. So let me come and show you guys my edges. So huh, nobody should talk to me anyhow. What? Sisters, can you see this?